Welcome back to the channel where you get a little of everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and thank you so much for always supporting the channel. Today we are in the parish of Manchester and we will be talking to Marline Brown, a female farmer. She's a very hardworking individual and she has an inspiring story to share. So please remember to like, share and subscribe and to hit the post notification bell so once you upload a new video you will be notified. So let's get into the video. Miss Marline, how are you? Good morning. See me find you? Yes.
Finally, man. You're not bad for first time,
Not true. All right, morning, sir. Okay. Yes, man, you're the on the link. You're the on the channel.
That means that me do any damage, me don't have me.
The only damage me see I do, I have to dig up some the thing for the peas, dig the hole.
Suppose a pestilence come now and see more.
Make we hope so that no happen.
We get a map.
Okay, yeah, man.
So me couldn't hide.
Can't hide. So Miss Marline, the peas you plant today?
Yeah.
Oh, so you start drop the seeds already?
No, me was cleaning up one little part when me left out there, so.
Mm-hmm.
That's the gentleman, them can't get to do them things.
Oh, so you clean it up.
Yeah.
Oh, you clean it up and then them plow the holes.
Right.
Okay. All right, let me come up here then now. Which part you start? You start over there, so okay, all right. So which part me walk now? Walk in the center?
Yeah, anyway you see little
Space.
yeah.
Also, carrot did plant up here already?
Yes, we reap up and over there, so. Yes, over there, so I reap up a couple weeks ago. But we still have carrot down at the bottom there, so but me not take it out of the grass, cause through the teeth them.
Yes.
Yeah, them did teeth it.
Oh.
So me da wait for a little more price, so that the one down there, so now me no bother take out there, so yet.
Okay, carrot price not so pretty right now.
No, 50 them I give we over 5 months now.
$50
we get $50 a pound.
Oh.
So you know, so by the time you reap up and
yes.
oh, when the price not nice, you get beaten, you know.
Yes, because you just spend all that money on fertilizer and labor and all of that.
Right, so that's why here so now I kind of let go the carrot a little bit.
Yes.
And try the peas.
Oh, so your first time you try the peas?
No, really, me plan like everything what me plan, me mix up. So like on the edges them, if me sow carrot, and the edges them now you put corn and
I see. So you have a little of everything going on at the same time.
But otherwise,
yes,
you know,
so
me decide say me a go in it bigger now. Yes. Cause the price more depend the peas.
Right.
Yeah, cause when it green and you bungle it out, you can sell it for like 150 if you go up on the town.
Okay.
Yeah, and people are buying more of that now. Because the other peas kind of the $200 a pound, so you have
Which one you
more.
call the other peas, Miss
The
Marlene?
round red, the one where you buy at the
Round
shop.
red.
Yeah.
Oh, but this one you plant is which one?
This one where I plant now is Miss Kelly.
Miss Kelly.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Oh, so you said the price cheap, the price higher on this one?
Yes, on this right now.
Right now.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So how many seeds you throw in a hole? When
Four.
Okay.
Four. And then now I use the miler dirt car. You know, you can't put the tougher one them. When we are mold it now back, we put the tougher one them.
Okay.
On it. You scrape out a little bit and forget little of the softer part of the dirt and 4.
Okay. You're quick too.
4.
I probably would have to count 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
Drop, man. Take up. Sometimes you will get a 5 down there, but it don't really matter. Okay. Sometimes I know everyone. Come up. Right.
Yes. Okay. So like how so you would be the only person who know how drop the seeds, or when the man them finish do the pruning,
yeah, but usually me no really give them no trouble for that. Usually me do it by myself too.
Yes.
But then from what the doctor tell me, say me for cool off of the fork. Because me a woman, you know, because me plow land too, you know.
Yes?
Yes, man. Plow land, man. Me weed grass, me plow land, me do every little thing. But the doctor say me for cool off.
Okay.
When you have the womb, you know.
Yes, so you take it easy upon the fork.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mostly get the gentleman them for do the fork part for me.
Okay. So Miss Marlene, I know you have several other locations where you farm. What you have in those other locations? What you plant?
Carrot, turnip, peas. Well, a while ago, me just passed through the farm over there, so. And the gentleman take the goat and heat down the whole of the sweet corn when me plant.
Oh my.
So me just tell him a while ago, say, him fi plant it back. For me not really have the money for call it validator.
Okay.
So me tell him, say, listen man, I come back, they come see me sweet corn them, you know. Cause one good stretch of land.
Oh my, so it's a lot of sweet corn and the goat damage it?
Oh God, man, none no left turn up.
Oh my God.
None no left turn up. Because I circle there, so a morning time before me reach to here, so.
Yes.
Yeah, me circle.
Okay.
Yeah, man, but over the roadside over this
you have turnip and sweet corn. You not plant no yam?
Yes, man, me have 2 little pieces of yam over there, so.
Okay.
You know, about 50 hill at one place. One gentleman did their jam the tick them along too. Well, you know, me have 150 hill car. So you know get the land space them, you know, you plant little every little thing.
Yes. So how is it now? Let me ask you something about the piece. How long it take to come in when you plant it today? And what it is that you have to do to maintain it throughout?
Okay, 6 weeks. 6 weeks.
6 weeks?
Yeah, 6 weeks. So in a 6 week time, I can come in. Maybe all of them no perfect.
Right.
But, you know, you can come and take out some and come back.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay. So you reap it more than once depending on the development?
Right.
So you have to water it?
Not really, but I have to use, it's like how the 7-star water is going to come down on me now. I have to use like dietine and 2020.
Okay.
And yes, so I have to go get me my shit in some part now.
Okay.
No mile enough.
Okay.
Come back for this still. So me use the 2020 and the dietine and the Amistar and the Karachi. The Karachi now are for the insect.
Okay.
Like no insect no bite up the leaves. You know?
I see. So you do a lot of spraying?
Yes, I have to.
Yeah. So let me ask you what you mean by the 7-star water.
It's a water where you usually come down in June.
Oh.
It burn up
the plants?
Right.
Okay. So
especially catch crop. Thing in the catch crop.
I see.
Yeah. So
that is why you need to spray to protect the plant.
Right.
Oh, I see. All right.
Yes.
So in terms of marketing of your products though, how do you do it? Is it that you go out and sell?
That is the problem with me right now, the marketing.
Oh, you have a problem with marketing?
I have 1 and 2 shipping link, you know, but sometimes them no up.
Yes.
You know, because them have whole heap of other places. So sometimes when you ready and you call them, you still not get through neither.
Yes.
So either you have to go run go up on the town. Because me do all type of selling, you know. Me do house to house.
Oh.
Yeah, because this district where me live in a year, so.
Yes.
Then say me are the village queen, you know, for due to me supply them with every little thing, pumpkin.
Yes.
Every little thing, but.
Oh, so you walk and sell it?
Yes, man.
Okay, that's good.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, man. And sometimes I stand up down at the road down there, so too. Right down at the one little place built up there, so. Yes, I stand up down there sometime and just put them out.
Oh.
And vehicle people pass
And buy them.
and buy.
Okay.
You know.
So you have people who call you to place orders as
Yes,
well?
man. Right now, me have orders for carrot, but me can't touch it for me have to plant.
Right.
You know,
right.
I plant on special days.
Okay.
Yeah, my days them where I just plant, you know. And no matter what, if me have something to reap, me not really I go
touch it.
No.
Yeah, so make sure you use the planting
I have to
days.
use up the planting days, them the one them will work for me. Cause like me study the McDonald.
Yes.
And whatever work for me, me work with it.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah. So now I like the corns them and so when me plant corn, can me done this like round the edges.
Right.
I go drop corn round the edges and so.
Oh,
but
I
the
see.
corn them now, it good when you plant it in the full moon instead of the new moon. Them full to the brim.
Oh.
You know.
So you use full moon.
So me use the
to
full
plant
moon.
your corn.
Right.
Okay.
The full moon for the corn them.
Yes, yes. So Miss Marline,
Yes,
you're a woman and you do farming. What are some of the difficulties you face?
Can't get people for work. That is one of the main difficulties
Yes.
we have right now.
Yes.
You know, if we get labor.
Oh.
Yeah, if the people them for work. And
It's
then
a
again
struggle.
it's a bit expensive too. Because when you work for the day, call say you go pay 5,000 for the day for a gentleman. You know? And you have to give him first one, you have to give them lunch.
Oh Lord.
You know?
Yes, so you have to, so it's $5,000 per day to work on the farm.
Right.
And in addition to that, when you say first one,
that would be like maybe bread and something. Maybe bread and cheese. Bread
okay,
and,
like
know?
a little snack in the morning.
And them drinks.
Yes.
You know? So that is what you do, and then lunchtime now. Like me now,
yes.
me no cook up here. No, me no cook. Me just like order some lunch.
Yes.
Yeah, me like go for them.
Oh, because cooking would be difficult because you have to actually be
have
planting.
to be doing things for myself too, because if me not do it, you know, that slow me up too.
Yes.
You know, so me have to do some of the work, and then we don't have to work for money, you have to do most of the work yourself too.
Yes, and this is what you do when you go to each of your farm.
Everyone
you try to
farm.
do something on there.
We always do something for myself.
Okay.
Yes,
okay.
always. Only the plowing me kind of avoid now.
Okay.
As much as me can.
Right,
But me still have to do it still, you know. Because around at my house right now, when I drop some carrot Friday,
yes.
I'm going to plant it out back with peas. So I may use the fork at the time.
Okay.
You know?
Yes.
But me no overdo it.
Right, based on your doctor's recommendation.
Right.
Okay.
Actually, when I was minding the children, them in the first part, I wasn't doing farming for myself, you know.
Yes.
I was like doing it as their work.
For other people.
For other people. You understand?
But now you branch out and you're doing your own thing.
Me no have the children them for me now to find the lunch money every day and all that. So
yes.
You know, so we can't go and do like something. And we never have no land neither.
Right.
You know, cause every time we get like a piece of land for work, yeah, and me clean it up.
Yes.
Them take it back for me.
Oh boy.
You know, even that piece of land over there, so the gen come and take it back from me. You know, they come in here.
Yes.
And me no know, me talk to my God still, cause I never want to really lose it.
Yes.
You know? And him call me back after one dead and me jump round.
Right.
And him call me back and give it back to me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank God for that.
So I hit now me set back. And the goat them come and mess up the corn part. But as I go.
Yes.
Still not give up still, you know?
Yes. So you love the farming, Miss Marline?
Yes, man. Because even all these places, you know, because a gentleman there down there, so him. I feed them property, you know. Yeah, man, all of the property. So
okay.
Them go right back down and come round. But we used to take care of my mother.
Yes.
You know?
So Miss Marline, give me one handful. Make me try see if I can do what you do there. All right, so you say 4.
Yeah, man.
And cover it over with the soft
With the
dirt.
soft soil.
Okay.
Yeah.
So stay right here, so.
Me love it, miss. Me love it. If me coulda, I always say me coulda get land.
Yes.
When me coulda use a tractor.
Right.
Yeah, man.
You woulda do more farming.
Oh gosh, man. Me love it. I see sometimes some little things when me plant.
Yes.
And realize me never use a lizer sometimes, because sometimes I can't even buy the lizer. And when me realize oh God bless it.
Yes.
Me have to say, you know.
Yes.
Yeah. Me plant a lot of things and me no put nothing on it.
Right.
Me just leave it to the nature, you know, Mother Nature for deal with what she should deal with.
Yes, Miss Marline.
Yeah.
So Miss Marline, we just start and already may run into problems.
Yeah.
So how you know which hole you put in already from which one? You go row by row?
You go row by row.
Oh.
Yes, row
So
by row.
I did this one and this one.
Yes.
Okay, so me wrong.
Yes.
So
if you do it row by row, row by row.
Oh, I don't want to mess up Miss Marline farm, you know.
No, man, you can't mess up, you know. Because if you put too much, it's still not really, you know. Because sometimes, as me say, if you drop 5 seeds in the hole, you know, have to take out none, because sometimes not every one of them tend for growth.
Okay, me know why you end up with an empty hole though.
Okay.
So let me start up here.
Yes,
so
very short, yes. Right.
Oh boy.
It nice, man. After time.
Yes.
You just a run through, man.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Miss Marline, how you manage the sun?
I don't know. I don't know if it's true me is a summer girl.
Yes.
You know, the sun don't really affect me.
Oh, you don't mind?
No.
Yes.
At the cold times, I'm afraid of.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. All right.
It not really affect me, man. I love it too. So I love the cold.
Yes.
And I put on a lot of clothes.
When the time
so
is
it
cold.
not soak through my back that much, because you have to protect down here, so the back, you know, for the spine.
Okay.
Yeah, because if the sun catch too much of the spine, you know.
What happened? It hurt you?
Yes.
Okay. As in pain and so forth?
Yes.
Oh.
And even the bending too.
Yes.
Yeah, because, you know, you have to know how you position the back, you know.
Yes.
Because you will have problem like when you go home, you all sit down and hard to come up back.
Because of the constant bending.
Yeah.
Yes. So, Miss Marline,
Yes.
being a female farmer, you see?
Yes.
How does people react to you, knowing that you're a female farmer and so on?
Well, only the thief, them, you know, miss what thief me, you know, but differently. People love me that much.
They respect you.
Oh gosh, man, a village queen them call me, you know.
Village queen?
Yeah.
Because of some hard work you do, you say, Miss Marline?
Whatever me do too, like after me reap,
yes.
Me call in the peoples them, you know. Because not everybody me can like reach to, for carrot go give.
Right.
So me reap now, I like me draw carrot over here and the burst ones them also.
Yes.
Yeah, man, the people them come and take them up.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
That's nice.
So that's it. Yes, man.
So you have a strong support in your community.
Yes, and the older heads of people, because usually me have pop choy too.
Yes.
But through the drought, the water thing, I give me trouble.
Yes.
Me not really have none, because I need some more like utensils and so over here.
Okay.
Yeah, me need some more drums.
You need drums?
Drums, you know, because I have one set out there, so but the one difficult, and when me have to pay for carry the water from down at the road, and pay the gentleman them for drop it over here.
It's hard.
It's hard, man.
Okay, I see. So right now you don't need drums on your farm so you can catch the water?
Yes, I could catch the water.
Or you just put like a zinc inside the drum?
Yes, like how you see that one there out there, so.
Oh, you have one out there, so?
Yeah, me leave in the zinc. Yeah, because the land gone out there, so too, you know, some yamila go dig out there, so I plant some sweet potato out there, so. Yeah.
Yes.
So, the water thing. Because I really want to plant more of the pop choy too.
Right.
For the older heads of people, them where they here, them eat the pop choy because them not doing the callaloo again because of the pressure.
Oh, the callaloo affect pressure, they say?
Yes.
Yeah?
So true, they have the high pressures, they can't so much deal with that. So
they prefer to use the
pop choy.
Okay.
Right.
Yes.
So whenever I plant, A couple weeks ago, I reap up the one round at my house because I could have mind that watch that the one day and get like water out of my drum them and the tank round at my house.
Okay,
Reap
okay.
up them there, but me leave some for flags, like for seed back.
Oh, I see
Forget,
what I was just
the
about
seed.
to ask you what that means.
Yeah. Yeah, man, you have seed.
So you leave it and then you get back the seed on it?
Right, and then
you
me won't have to
replant.
buy no more seed now, me just plant it back.
Oh,
Because
okay.
I have some in the bag down there, so.
Yes.
So when me done plant the peas now, me just go flash it through the land.
So then you're going to have peas, corn, and the pak
Right,
choy.
that's it.
Okay,
That's it.
I see what you mean when you say
Yes.
plant a little of everything.
Everything in one, man, everything. Because when you take out one, and if you notice, everywhere you see the pumpkin them,
Yes.
I go jump back the pumpkin them. So whenever these are come out, the pumpkin now, me just let it go.
Oh.
I have a way how me wrap the pumpkin. Yes, if me go over that side, then I could have show you.
Yes.
You bud it and wrap it. That's it, no run go far.
Oh.
As it push out, it start bare.
Okay, so you wouldn't have to run through the peas and everything?
No.
Okay,
No,
okay.
know if, yeah.
Yeah, so you
So
know
by
your
the time
stuff,
the
don't
peas,
Miss
yeah,
Marline,
man, you kind of learn it, you know.
You learn it as you go.
Learn it, yes. And Monday now, one of the next gentleman, because over here, so it's a family setting, like, you know, and show me in the family for so long, then kind of.
Yes.
I'm no thief here, my lady.
Right.
No trouble them things and them way there, so them respect me that much.
Yes.
You know,
Yes.
so we farm everywhere. Monday we are going to take out some Irish potato up that side.
Yes.
Yes, we are
So
going
you
to
have
dig
Irish too?
potato.
Okay.
Yeah, for the yard, you know, really mind that they own, but me working night and me dig the drill them when it a plant.
Yes.
And we mold, we spray, you know.
Okay. So Miss Marline, how did you get started in farming? I know you said that you used to work for people before in their farm, and now you have your farm. But initially, how did you get started in farming?
When I came here, I came here back in the 90s, right? And then I came over Thompson Town over there.
Yes.
So when I was there, I got mashed up. My husband died and hope something happened there. So I get mashed up and never have no money. I was running a business and the business got down with witchcraft and all those things. And
Are you serious?
Yeah, people mess me up. Them mother for me too, but God say no so if you go.
Yes.
And people when me did check for, and people when me did help. And them make me there yesterday now. The guy died though, Satan. When I'm so-called brother stab him and kill him. But he was the one who, when him see me getting sick.
Yes.
Yeah, like gonna eat out of the people them rubbish thing, and me did have restaurant and all those things around. Right in a Thompson Town in front of the cemetery there. It was Manny you in place at the time. And get better and you know me there and me never want to live off of my body.
Yes.
So saying,
Yes.
you know, because I always say that thing that's sacred. So at the end of the day now, me link up with some girl over there.
Okay.
And the girl then bring me go them husband farm. That time me used to use one knife because them not give me no machete yet.
Okay.
You know?
Can you not used to the thing yet?
No. But them say me willing for learn certain things, you know?
Yes.
So at the end of the day now, them bring me go. Them give me knife and I start deal with my thing.
Okay.
But I could stay amongst them for them I make the money and I make none. And my children, that time I did have 2 sons.
Right.
Yeah, but they weren't living with me at the time though, but I still have to respond to them.
Okay.
So I start do my thing and this man down at Shudley down there, so we name Gail, Mr. Gail. He was the one when we worked the first day work with.
Yes.
You know, and like him put me at some gentleman who weed yam.
Yes.
But me can't go fast as a gentleman them still, you know.
Yes.
So me said to him, oh, you could do that one here.
Yes.
All right. So at the end of the day, you know, the gentleman them go fast on me, so me now get for weed for me one. You did do your set up?
I think so. No. Already me start mess up the farm.
And at the end of the day, you know, when I go up on the farm and I said to the gentleman, say, give me like a piece of yam for myself.
Yes.
And I will weed that up, you understand? And him give me, I think it was a 500 hill at the time.
Okay.
And he give it to me and me weed it up. Me take about 3 days. And weed it up. But when me weed it like, oh, you just see it so clean.
Oh.
And the man said, no, I know so.
Yes.
You weed it too clean in a yard. You know. And from that, him start give me back little work and him tell him friends them.
Yes.
And him friends them start give me work and
Okay.
start going on the road there some man. And from there, so everything start work out for me.
Okay, so you started learning and started getting more farming work.
Yes.
Okay.
And one of the time now, me I wear slippers. So all of them work there when me I do a slippers. Me wear. So one gentleman over there named Wolf. He said to me, say, no,
yes.
we can't wear the slippers. So whenever the machete miss, it a go chop me in my foot.
Okay.
And him give me one piece of water boot. And I start work same way. And so I do so till me come over this side now because I couldn't stay over there so no more.
Yes.
Because it kind of remind me of how I was.
Yeah.
And then now all of a sudden me turn back. This person we didn't even know.
Yes.
You know?
You're at square one again.
Yeah.
Okay.
And never give up still. Come over here and started working same way. You know, people feel same way. So till I'm one gentleman down a Craig there son name Mr. Hall.
Yes.
Kirk Hall. You know, was like carrying yam stick for him.
Okay.
Weeding, ground film and all of that. And
so you pretty much do everything in farming. You weeding, ground.
yes, all yam stick me jam too, you know.
Jam yam stick too?
Yes, man, for what happened, you
Awesome.
know, I the day work where I do at the day. And you want the lunch money for the children them.
So you have
to
to
go to school.
in.
So you have to fit in
do what you
every
can
little thing.
Yes.
You know?
Yes.
And when that now go on we go the pan house with Norman them and everybody.
Yes,
if a wall
really?
a bill with the pan with seawater them round so
Yes.
teach them.
Because Norman is a contractor,
Yeah,
a building contractor.
Build, right now I have some wall for house down so all him house a black room me work pan.
So you, Miss Marline, but you're a great man. So you do farming and you're also working on construction sites?
Yes, because even sat them with on one construction site, you know.
Yes.
I help them deck.
Wow.
You know.
So not because you're doing the farming for yourself, no, you don't let that stop you. You
still
indulge.
Food have to eat, you know, and the rent them as you pay them then who again and
yes.
You know.
Yes.
You still not reach nowhere yet because you know build up something for your little self yet.
Right.
So you still not reach nowhere yet. You know. And despite my children them kind of big now and them a hustle, but I still can't stress them.
Yes.
Because when them a grow, it wasn't easy. I couldn't make them go a beach. I couldn't make them eat one piece of KFC. I couldn't do nothing like that.
Yes.
You know what I say?
Understand.
So now that them big now, me no stress them.
Yes.
I want them sleep on one good bed. I want things to happen for them, man. So I no give them no trouble. I still a store for myself because I'm still able to store.
Yes.
You know?
Yes. So you do what you can.
So I do what I can.
Yes.
You know?
But Miss Marline, I know you have a very interesting story.
Yes.
One that is motivating and inspiring.
Yes.
Because you mentioned bits and pieces of it a while ago. Because before farming, you used to live in, was it St. Anne?
Yes.
Right. And you were married?
Yes, I was.
All right. So talk to us about what happened. What would have transpired over that period that would have brought you back, you know, even to now?
Well, to tell you the truth, you know. Sometimes I don't know what brought me back to certain things, but
yes.
At the end of the day, me feel say my children them, you know, everything what me do.
Yes.
Me feel say my children them play a big role in everything what me do. Cause I always try to uplift myself in order to make them not really struggle.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? Because during my life growing up, if me did have a strong, whether say no parents background certain way.
Parental support.
Yeah, I wouldn't really there, so I go Westwood, you know, despite the odds, you know.
Yeah, you attended Westwood.
Yeah, I attended Westwood High School.
Yes.
But then the family get, you know, daddy get bad and all sort of something start happening and me run away. That was the whole thing about me ending up in some places, sent and married and all those things. Because me have to run away.
Yes, so you ran away to St. Anne.
Yeah, I run away to there and I did find my husband. We're getting on fine and that's when we come to Chilani.
Right.
You know, because for him children, them was like bigger than me, them time there.
Okay.
You know, and the big one, them bigger than me, them say me them use a name, I never remember the exact name, but something to do with like me that want to rip off them father.
Okay.
You understand? And at the end of the day now, they never consent to nothing.
Okay.
What we did, so. Him did have to come and so make we drive and drive and drive so till we can end up find the place over there, so.
Okay.
Over Thompson Town.
Thompson
over there,
Town.
so. Right. Yeah. And there me started a business. It was wholesale, restaurant, bar, everything in a one.
Okay, so you had a wholesale and restaurant along with a bar.
Yes. You know, and this is that's all of my life mash up.
Yeah.
That's all of my life go down. Me the things that me I build my life, that's all.
Right.
But that's all everything when me ever own in my life go down.
Yes, you lost everything.
Everything, man. Everything go down back to nothing because by the time me if you take sick.
Yes.
And Prof was the one who helped me.
Yes.
Yeah, Prof.
So what happened after you? So you open a restaurant, bar, and wholesale.
Yes.
And things were going on fine.
Right.
But you said things started to go downhill.
Right. When me employ some girls.
Yes.
Because the girls them in the district, what happened is they have a lot of children and they were like not making it. You understand?
Okay.
So every day they would come. They would like send the children them come.
Yes.
Like for beg a buller.
Oh,
you know?
Yes.
I mean I say no man, that not right. I'm no big and chunk or some big chopping girl them, you know.
Yes.
So what I did now, I employed them in the business. I got one fair cashier which she couldn't cash, but then again me kinda help her out in the night them when me did it.
Right.
You know? Until she master it. So I employ like 3 of them.
Okay.
From over the years. So them is the one that messed me up, you know. Yeah, man, they are the one that work the witchcraft on me. The mother, because they the one kill me now forget my husband.
Are you serious?
Yeah, if you one of the daughter them there.
Oh my God.
You understand? So there, so now my life, when me I try to help them, my life just take a course and start going down so and you know stop.
And you got sick?
Yeah, me get sick.
So you lost everything?
Everything.
Which means that you close up the wholesale, the restaurant and the bar?
Well, me never get to close it, you know. People close it. People take away if take away out there. Because the day when me get sick, the business was open.
Oh.
Right. And like me had my business up here, so and I went down like our next business down there, so they have a restaurant.
Yes.
I'm go there now and was like taking up the bones and thing out of that drum.
Really?
Yes, and the gentleman now when him Satan now and him see me. I live right at the roadside. So I say, Mommy, him call me Mommy because I did a favor for him once.
Yes.
Yes, and he say, what happened to Mommy? So he was the one who tie me up, you know. And bring me over here to a lady named Mother Nora.
Okay.
But when I came here, Mother Nora couldn't help me. She said that it too big for her.
So the sick that you got sick,
yes.
you got mad?
Mad, right.
Okay.
Right.
And so the gentleman saw you and brought you over
right,
here?
Right.
Had to tie you up and
yes,
bring you
man,
over?
him have to tie me up for him say me this strong.
So you were fighting and resisting?
Fighting, right, and him tie me up and put me in a car.
You had a son?
Yes, I had a son.
When you had the restaurant
yes,
and bar
so when I
so
took sick now, they cut out the grill and took the sound off of the van. Them take everything out of the place. Because when me get better, me not see nothing.
So where was your husband?
He was abroad.
Oh.
Because it was that husband that wasn't here most of the time, you know?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
He wasn't here. He was them busy man. Because he had a car Martin sentence B and him have business of foreign all about, you know?
So things were going on,
yes, man, things were there. I used to, when I was there running business, you know, I used to have trailer, you know. Whenever, because Marshall them out of Warsaw used to buy from me, you know.
Really?
Yes, man,
and
he used to come
has
buy.
A hardware.
And he has, me used to sell every, oh God.
So you were a big business woman.
And up till now, me love business, you know.
And I can see that.
Because when before I moved from right here around the corner there, cause I was living where the shop is and I used to run the shop.
Right.
And at the end of the day, when I was there, up to the common water buckle where the cooking oil come in, up to them me sell.
Oh,
Come go Orange Street and I go buy the bike things. I was the first one who opened bike shop in here, you know.
Yes?
Yes, man. I sell me things them, but through me come off of the main now and go up on the back road.
Right.
And Maya was down there.
Yes.
Yeah.
The competition.
Yeah, me couldn't, them not go come so far, them not go past this, so.
Yes.
We come to me round this, so. Yeah.
So what happened after the gentleman brought you over
So-
now? You say he took you to what? A mother lady? What's
Yes,
her
Mother,
name?
Mother Nora. She
Mother
passed,
Nora.
you know. Mhm.
She passed away.
Yes, but when I came over here to live,
Yes.
I was looking for her because she didn't help me, but she did something that cooled down the evil spirit.
Whatever was happening to
Yeah,
you.
because the evil spirit was that they took a evil out of the same cemetery that was before me.
Wow.
Yes, and when I came out of the car the night, that's when I get the hit in my head.
Are you serious?
Yeah. And it is the same girls, you know, that I employed, you know.
Yes.
It's their mommy do it, you know.
Oh
Three
my God.
sister them. Yes. Yes.
Wow.
So when he bring me over here now, and Mother Nora didn't help to how she feel help, because she could bring me back.
Yes.
Right? And when Satan carry me back over now, Prof used to come at my business place to drink. And he could drink and go and come back.
Yes.
And whatever. And he was the one who came there and here. And he said, the girl will have manners. She have manners to me, man. She have manners, you know.
Yes.
And he took me away to Albertown. That time he was living at Albertown. He was building the place over there, but he didn't finish up.
Okay.
So he took me down to Albertown, down to his house, because he said he can't look about me. In that time, I don't know none of what me I tell you, you know, I what them tell me.
Yes, yes.
Yes. And at the end of the day, now, him carry me down there, and when me come round back, he bring me back up. But that time, no house wasn't there for me no more, because Satan alone couldn't protect.
Everything.
Right.
And your husband was abroad.
He was abroad. So when I came round now and thing now, I had to pay him over $2 million. Because him say every bottle of medicine where him give me was like 100,000.
So he
You
was
know, to
taking
bring
care
me
of your
back.
medication,
Yes.
your bill, doctor's bill.
Right.
Oh.
So my husband now flew down when I came round and thing, and you know,
Yes.
he went up back and he took sick after he went up.
Okay.
Because he had the diabetes.
Oh, he had diabetes.
Yes, but when he went up now, his foot got cut off.
Oh.
You know, and his daughter now, through them never consent from mining.
Yes.
Yes, and his daughter wouldn't allow him to come back here. So he stayed there till he passed.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, to come back. So it's just that long road of things, and Prof now tell me that I had to cross a river. After I get better, he still said that me still no 100 because due to what they did to me.
Yes, it was
You
really
understand?
bad.
It was really bad, and three is more than one of them, like they team up.
Yes.
So it was like three of them, so
Oh,
extra
Lord.
bad, extra bad. So him say me have to cross a river.
Yes.
So true, I used to over here now because I used to sell a lot of people things. Cause despite I have the wholesale, I used to drive through here and sell.
You
take
used to
goods.
drive and
Yes,
sell?
yes, man, I used to take the goods. That time I used to have a Hustin Montego and I take out the back seat out of it, and
I don't even know that type of vehicle. So you used to drive that
yes,
vehicle?
man, I used to
and
drive
sell
that
the
vehicle
products?
and sell the produce here.
Yes.
You know, yeah, man. That time all them soda drinks, they just a come down and them
Yes.
thing they so.
So business was
Business
booming
was
and
nice,
you were doing
man.
well.
Business was nice, man. And that's why, you know, I had to use the trailer to drop the goods where I am.
Oh.
Because you have a narcut down there. Narcut used to come and buy from me, if you come and sell back.
Yes.
Horace out a wait a bit there, so. And Freddie, a whole lot of people used to support me over this side. So that's why I cross this river and come over here. Because I know say people that over here to take care of me, you know.
I see.
Yeah.
So you were running a very large business. Because
Yes,
these
man.
persons you're mentioning are other persons who come to buy from you to go and retail.
Right.
Okay.
Right. I even wholesale too. Because when Horace order his goods, you know.
Yes.
You understand? He do both the retail part too and the wholesale part
as well.
too. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, man. They used to buy from me. And I had a place now in Falmouth there where I package the rice and so. So like, for instance, you don't want a 10-pound rice.
Yes.
I never see use plastic bag. I had the people them down there that I got the rice
Yes.
and everything there, and they package
Package it.
10 pound, 5 pound, you know. Yeah, that's how I used to do it.
Businessman.
Yes, man, because that little Englishman when me did have, you know, he was the one. All right, I was working when I meet him, you know, I was working in a supermarket.
Okay.
Right, and I was cashing, but me didn't know cashier do, you know.
Yes.
No, because I never really have a certificate. But me always quick.
Yes.
I'm a watch. You know, so when I sat down for the job, me never really have no qualification, but when they give me the test,
yes,
me pass it. You know, and the gentleman employ me.
Yes.
That was in James Avenue there down in Ocherios.
Okay.
You know, and that's where I met my husband there.
Okay.
I was just watching, you know, because the amount of things them when take off and you watch how fast me take them off. So if I don't know if you have that one here, you know, me take that one there.
Okay.
And he never stop come back.
Okay.
Yeah, man. He never stop come back.
I see.
You know, and wow, it was nice though, you know, it wasn't all that. Only the little sickness part will come in a hit, but
but you overcame all of that, Miss Marline.
Yes, man.
Yes.
Me no make it keep me down, you know.
Yes. Yes.
I'm gonna try. Always trying.
Yes. So having gone through all of that though, you know, having had the experience of where you were able to, you know, afford things more readily and having gone through all of that, you know, getting sick to the point where you were mad and now coming around and doing your own thing.
Yes.
And when you look back, what do you think about all of that and where you are now? When you look back on your life?
I think all of that happened to make me stronger, you know.
Yes.
Yes. I think so. You know, everything so like how me know so.
Yes.
Because things were like me push out the effort to achieve.
Yes.
You understand? Those in them time me never have to work hard for what I got.
Yes.
You
It came easy, you would say.
Yes, because my husband gave them to me. You understand? So me never work for that the money neither.
Right.
You understand? But now whatever little me make, it come like a goal, you know.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes.
And me try to spend it with caution. Yes. And try to save the Likkle because I can't save the biggest, you know. You know, I always try to save the smaller amount, you know.
Yes.
After me take out back what I take out, me always try to put down a small amount.
Yes, so you saved something.
Yes, man.
Yes. So did you and your husband have any children together?
No, we didn't.
Okay.
We didn't.
Okay.
He was a big man at the time.
Yes.
You know. We weren't thinking about no baby them the time now.
Yes, you were just working and enjoying the success.
I love business, miss.
Yes.
If me get two things to do in a life, what me love, what me passionate about, is farming and business.
Business.
I love business. I was trying it when I was going to school, but through me drop out. Because I did love the accounts, you know.
Yes.
Because I did want to be bank manager one at the time. But I know what you plan for you in a life still.
Yes, that's true.
Our Father God give you have to take.
Yes, yes.
You know? And things only happen and it make me stronger. I'm not tell you no lie.
Yes.
You know? I'm learn a lot. So I know say them mistake them, I won't make them again.
Yes.
You know?
And the other day, you and I had a conversation, and you did mention that somebody was going through something, and
yes,
based on your story, you were able to motivate
she's
that person.
a lady down Big Good there. She have a shop down Big Good there.
Yeah.
And she was going through a phase because the same witchcraft mash up her business. They gave her a bad money. And the whole her business. Torpedo come back, come take her. She couldn't pay the loan, so I could take out the fridge and take out everything.
Yes.
You know, I was like in the shop, and I said, miss, you know, because she still have her house, you know, and she not paying rent. And I said, miss, if I would that, you would be grateful for her, you know.
Yes.
Because I start give her my story, because she know my kids and she know my life.
The struggles.
Yes, but she never know that me struggle so far.
Yes.
That's me go down to no even bed because of that me assure. Say I had to go to the banana walk. Because the yard where I live is a wolf of banana.
Yes.
In there, I had to go to the banana walk in the dust because I never to want nobody to see me still.
Right.
Yeah, I'm go at the banana walk. I'm full up some of the big bag them we put carrot in. Yes. And me make sew the mouth of them. Yeah, man, I get some two before and nail up or something.
Yes.
And drop the one piece of spring when me find in the house. He in there. Yeah, man, and put on the bag, them pan it and buy one new sheet.
Yes.
But by long, that's the foot no show, you know them way.
Yes.
And for years, people been coming there and never know, say, me no have a bed in my house.
Yeah, it's make it up.
Me make it and a daytime now we wake
So what
up.
you say you put in it?
Banana trash.
So you stitch the bags?
Stitch the bag mouth.
Oh,
yeah.
and fill it up with the banana trash?
Yeah, and stitch it.
And
you
slept on that?
Put them long way come down, so like 2 wall on that the side, so the whole bed takes 6.
Wow, and that's where you slept
yes,
for
man,
years?
And that's where me grow my children them till them to. I what day me buy a bed, you know?
Oh my.
What day me buy a big bed? I could afford to build one.
Boy, Miss Marline, your story is so inspiring. Believe you me.
Build a nice bed. And so I hit me and tell her down there. Say, and she said, those little girls were always clean on the road. Me say, miss, I know that.
Yes.
I know where you live.
Yes.
You know? So they go school clean, they walk clean, but at the end of the day, we never have certain things. One time we never did have pot. A 2 little cheese pan, me have to use. You know?
So things were bad, really bad.
Man, we never have no knife. Never have no knife, nothing.
Yes.
And at the end of the day, me used to borrow my neighbor things, you understand?
Yes.
And one day, me go borrow my neighbor knife, you know? And hear my neighbor grumble, say, I can't buy one knife every day and this I come I borrow my knife.
Yes.
And me hear her and me turn back. Yes.
Because you felt bad.
Yes. And me turn back and me carry back the knife go give her and me go a bush the morning without breakfast. So I want planting me that go peel.
Okay.
For fry and you know, me go bush without the breakfast.
Right.
And at the end of the day now when me go a bush and come in the evening. That time $500 a day for day work.
Wow.
Yeah man, and me end up now go a Christiana with the $500. I couldn't buy a knife still no.
Yes.
But me need 2 forks so me buy 3 forks.
Okay.
And miss, I don't know if I can find it enough for me not dash it away enough for me put it down on my house and me tell my children them say they enough for choy away.
Yes.
I came home the evening and me sharpen one of the fork. Sharpen down at the angle part.
Yes.
Miss, I use the cut. I don't know when I use that cut up.
So that was your
so
knife?
That was my knife for years, cause even after I could have buy a knife, I still use it.
Yes.
Same way, because it gets so comfort and it can do your work.
Yes, yes.
You know? Yeah, man.
Yes.
So for years, man, for years. And till me find myself now what day me draw a character when me I look for knife and I count 7 knife, you know?
Oh my God.
Oh,
you
7 knife. And me I say, but Jesus, you brought me from far, man.
Yes, from no knife
from
to 7
no
knives.
Knife to so much knife.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
So
no matter what you go through in life, you can't give up.
Me can't give up, man.
Can't give up at
that
all.
That not in the game. Give up when you're dead.
Yes.
Yeah, you know say you can't do nothing.
Because look at you now, you're operating your own farm.
Yeah, and the same farm in here, grow all of my 5 children.
Yes.
You know? I send them to high school, everything. And me pay them school fee, me do everything when me do pertaining to the school wise.
Yes.
Me go the landlord and send them go to school, you know. Because that's how it goes. So every minute me kind of feel move around, you know?
Right.
But me never mind.
No.
Because me did tell myself, say, me I go get something out of them, you know.
Yes.
Yes. And me never tell a father thanks for one of them.
You did it all on your own.
I did it all on my own. And then say, woman can't grow a boy pitney.
Yeah.
But me can't tell them, say, me have a lawyer, me got a police. Out of me work.
Yes.
And I me grow them, they don't know father.
Yes.
You know.
And they're doing well.
Oh gosh, man, all of them are do well. All of them.
Yes.
But the whole of them man are farming, day work. But it work out.
Yes, yes.
I grow the whole of them, my lady, the whole of them. The one in England now, he's my lawyer.
Okay. That's
Lemar.
your son?
Yes, Lemar.
Okay.
He's the first one.
Yeah. How old is he?
He in June, the 2nd of June, I'm 28.
Okay.
Yes, and the one we turned police now, I'm 25.
Oh,
you
so
know?
you have big children?
Yes, man, all of them
grown.
big. Only the little boy.
Yes.
Where you see me with him 11.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Boy, Miss Marline, your story is inspiring.
I tell you, my lady, I've been through it, but me no take nothing too serious, cause me say God, me no been through what God been through.
Yes.
You know, and if Him still can love we and still can, you know,
yeah.
there me no see the reason why me for us. They are go on, son, I get up every day and I say nothing, I go on and me no try.
Yes.
You understand? So me always a try. And me no mind doing these things because me, as me said, lady down there, so she never did even know say Marline go through these things.
Yes.
You know?
But you were able to inspire her.
Yeah, man, up to yesterday he bring me a go home and me stop there. You know?
Yeah.
I big her up because she find out say she born August like me.
Oh, so you are August born?
Yes, me.
Okay.
You know? We don't
Yes.
give up easy, miss. We can't give up. Can't give up at all.
Yes. So, Miss Marline, how long you going to take you to plant this peas, you know?
Well, it's going to take me maybe till in the evening.
Oh, so it's an all-day thing.
Yeah,
when you come to the
can't
farm.
do nothing else when you come to do this thing.
Yes.
You just have to do this alone.
Okay. So what time is your lunchtime?
Well, me no have no lunchtime, you know.
You just go and work?
Me just work and when me feel hungry and me not really eat early.
Okay.
You know, in time me start feel hungry, me know say somewhere between 11 I go to 12 in time there.
Okay.
Me feel hungry, me know say yeah, me go get something and eat. But you see, if we did get the Likkle rain,
yes,
it would be easier, you know.
To plant the peas?
Yes, because then we wouldn't use the fork.
Okay.
We'd use the hoe. And the hoe now would just chop a little thing and we drop the peas in it and the dirt would be more milder.
Okay, okay. Based on everything that you would have gone through and where you are now, what advice do you have for persons out there who may be going through the same thing? What would you say to them?
Well, right now, I would tell them that don't give up. Don't matter what your circumstances may be, don't give up. Just keep trying. And another thing that keep me going, you know, I have strong faith in God. You know, I have strong faith in God, right? Like now I'm even planting the peas here and somebody said don't plant it because it's time to dry.
Yes.
And me tell the person, say listen, every time me plant things, if I look at you, me I get. So that's the much faith me have in what me doing. So if what you're doing something and you don't love it, no bother with it.
True.
Just do what you love. And not watch what people may say. You know, you're a woman and you do this and you do that and you could have lived easy. That's not it. Too much thing will come easy, goes easy. You understand? So just have courage, man, and faith.
Yes.
Yes.
All right.
And do what you have to do. It don't matter.
And don't give up.
And don't give up. Don't give up no matter what.
Yes.
Don't give up.
Yes.
Don't give up.
All right.
Because there's a bright light at the end of every tunnel, you know? Everyone. And me can testify to that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because in my dream, me did dream for hold some money, you know.
Yes.
After my business mash up and all of that, I never dream that I could able to hold back certain money in my hand.
Yes.
And I'm telling you, when I take up that piece of carrot there, so, although them they go in a hit, oh gosh.
Yes, so you have to give God thanks.
Yeah.
Yes.
So when I set it back, you know, I'm going to make you come back.
Yes.
Yeah, and you see what's going on over here when you come back. And when you come back the time when
it would be our pleasure to come back, man, indeed.
So I'll keep you up to date, man, for every little thing that's going on, you know.
Yes, and Miss Marline, me have to shake your hand, although, you know, but it really has been a pleasure talking to you.
Blessings to my big
the man
friend
behind
here.
the camera.
Because me I tell you, say.
Yes. Yes.
I'm looking forward, man. Forward to things. Better things.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Indeed.
Looking forward to it, man.
Yes. So it was certainly our pleasure coming, Miss Marline, and thank you so much for sharing your story.
And thank you too.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
It's a pleasure.
Yes, we do hope your story will inspire and motivate.
Yes. I hope so too.
Yes.
I hope so too. Because we need a lot of that in these times, you know.
So true, Miss Marlene.
In these times, man, in these times.
Yes, all right.
Okay,
so me
now.
have one little handful of peas. Me go finish plant them before we go. All right.
All right. Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
All right. So which part me must go back now?
All right. Me put you on easy.
Me want safe spot.
All
yeah,
right.
one easy spot, Miss Marlene.
Come right over here, so yeah, man. Come right over here, so where the dirt, no so, you know.
Right, like right here.
Yeah, drop
okay.
them in here, so. Yeah, man.
All right. See me, I tell you, Miss Marlene, me have to count out 4. 2, 3, 4. Forget it, right? I guess it comes with practice.
Yes, over time. Over time, it come like the finger just get used to the 4, you know?
Yes. All right.
Yeah. It's nice, man. It's nice to do them. Nice to plant. And when they come up now over here, now when you come and you see them.
They're really pretty.
Wow.
Okay. Okay. I think we're going to say it. All right. Okay. Last 4. Clap myself.
What you mean? Yes, you have done great.
Yes.